Look what's just arrived from the TikTok shop. We have the Moon nightlight. This is a voice controlled nightlight and it's USB and it's plug and play. So let's get it plugged in. So just opening the box. Whoa. We've got a little card. Oh, it tells you what to say. Ooh. Right, so let's have a look at the moon. Oh, I hate fiddly plastic bags. So, in the box, you get the moon, the bag, and the card. I'm going to get this plugged in. So this is it all plugged in, and these are the words. So obviously it's going to be a bit different when it's not daytime and in the middle of the UK summer. So, close the light, turn on the light, brighten the light, dim the light, change colour, change colour, change colour, maximum brightness, minimum brightness, yellow light, white light, natural light, night light, must be the same. So these are non-Wi-Fi, so you don't need to have Wi-Fi to make it all, work and do what it needs to do. You can just plug it in and away you go. So great if you're going camping and you've just got a battery pack. I mean, that's amazing. Nightlight, kids' room, space theme, possibilities are endless. There's the link. You can get yours from the TikTok shop.